In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Google Workspace storage in just about 5 minutes. Managing your storage efficiently can make a huge difference in how you use Google Workspace, ensuring that you never run out of space when you need it the most. Whether for personal use or within an organization, upgrading your storage plan is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Google Workspace. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll need to choose the Google account you intend to upgrade storage for. This may seem like a simple step, but it's crucial, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Next up, enter your password. Remember, security is key, so make sure you're entering your credentials in a safe and secure environment. After you've securely logged in, click on Next. This will take you to your Google Workspace home screen, fully accessible and ready for action. Now look toward the top right of your screen. You'll notice a square dot icon, often referred to as the Apps icon. Click on this. It's a gateway to all the Google services and applications available to you, including the admin console, which is where we need to go next. Once you've accessed the admin console, it's time to head over to Storage. You might wonder why we need the admin console. Well, it acts as a control center for Google Workspace, allowing you to manage users, devices, and configuration settings, including storage options. After navigating to the storage section, you'll see an option labeled Need More Storage. This is exactly where you want to be. Clicking here reveals what's available to you in terms of storage upgrade plans. Now onto the exciting part. Choosing your plan to upgrade your storage. It's essential to select a plan that suits your needs. Consider what you're using the storage for, the amount of data you anticipate needing, and of course, your budget. Once you've made your decision, follow the prompts to complete the purchase of your new storage plan. Google makes this process as smooth and hassle-free as possible, guiding you every step of the way. And just like that, you've successfully increased your storage on Google Workspace. Remember, managing your digital space effectively plays a crucial role in your overall productivity and organizational efficiency. Upgrading your Google Workspace storage not only ensures you have the space you need, but also enhances your ability to collaborate and store important data securely. And there you have it. Increasing your Google Workspace storage is as simple as that. No more worrying about running out of space or having to constantly delete files to make room for new ones. With your new storage plan in place, you're all set to tackle any task that comes your way. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more comfortable navigating and upgrading your Google Workspace storage. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools and platforms.